So for question 6, we're given three variables, a, b, and c, and we're given values for them, and we're asked to evaluate two different expressions. I think probably the most common error I saw was not quite understanding how to plug in values, particularly if they were negative. So I think most people got A correct. On A, or part A, it says to take the value of A and square it, and then add 2 times the value of C. Well, I can see that A is 3, so that's what I'm going to square. And then I can see that C is the number 10. So this ends up being 9 plus 2 times 10 is 20. So I get the number 29 for part A. And probably more errors were made on the second part, and I think it has to do with the squaring a negative number. So let's look at part B. On B, we still have that A is 3. So I'm going to take 3, and I'm going to subtract from that a negative 4, and then I'm going to add to that 2 times C. Well, if I look inside this chunk right here, these parentheses, I can see that I've got 3 minus a negative 4, and 3 minus negative 4 is 3 plus 4, so all of this becomes the number 7. So this becomes 7 squared. I forgot to square that there, that's scary. And then plus 2 times 10. Well, 7 squared is the number 49, and 2 times 10 is 20. So we end up getting that for part B, the answer is 69. So I guess we didn't really have the issue here of squaring a negative number, but just take a look at this. And the other thing that I encourage you to do is to use a calculator. I mean, get good with pen and paper like this, be able to write these out. But it's certainly okay. You're in high school to grab a calculator and verify that these calculations are correct. I think using that helps kind of reinforce the fact that you're making good progress and that you're practicing things correctly. It helps kind of eliminate practicing things incorrectly. And if you have questions with how to use a calculator, or you're confused by that, talk to me and I'll show you how to use the parentheses and squaring expressions, etc.